Your reputation isn't built by talent. It's built by the signals you leak every day.
You were trained to believe politeness equals safety. Sometimes it equals submission.
The world doesn't reward the nicest person. It rewards the clearest one, with boundaries.
Tonight, we cut 7 polite habits that quietly label you as negotiable and easy to dismiss.
This is not about becoming rude. It's about becoming real and hard to push.
Tiny behaviors create massive status leaks. Right under your nose, in plain sight.
Remove just 3, and people feel the shift, without knowing why it happened.
Your voice, your face, your timing. Those are power tools, not decoration.
Let's begin. Surgery starts now.
Trap number 1, the apology reflex. The habit that bleeds authority in silence.
Someone bumps you.
You say sorry.
You ask a question.
You say sorry to interrupt.
You think you're being polite. You're paying a debt you do not owe.
An apology is an admission of guilt. Use it wrong, and you look guilty by default.
And once sorry becomes your identity, your real apologies lose weight when you need them.
Stop apologizing for existing, for asking, for reminding, for taking your rightful space.
The fix is simple. Trade guilt for gratitude and keep your posture steady.
You're late.
Thank you for your patience. Then go straight to the point.
You need help? Say, thanks for making time. Ask the question cleanly.
You didn't harm anyone? Don't confess like you did. Let that habit die.
Trap number 2, the submission smile. The grin that tells predators you won't fight.
Your boss criticizes you unfairly. A client gets rude. Someone cuts the line, and you smile.
That smile is not kindness. It's fear wearing makeup, and it confuses everyone watching.
In power dynamics, your face must match the moment. Congruence is credibility.
When you smile under disrespect, you reward bad behavior, and you train it to repeat.
The fix is not anger. Anger is reactive, and reaction is controllable.
The fix is stillness. Relax your jaw, drop the grin, hold eye contact, and pause.
Let silence expose them. Let their rudeness sit in the air, unrescued.
Then ask one grounded question. What exactly do you mean by that?
No nervous grin. No apology. Just composure that resets the room.
Trap number 3, over-explaining. The moment your no turns into a courtroom speech.
You decline a favor, and suddenly you're listing excuses like a lawyer under interrogation.
More reasons feel safer, but they give the other person handles to pull you around. I can't, I'm busy Tuesday.
Okay, how about Wednesday?
Congratulations. You turned a decision into a negotiation, and they learned you bend.
Over-explaining also signals guilt, like you don't believe you deserve a boundary.
The fix is the executive no. Short refusal, one vague reason, then stop talking.
I can't make it. I have a prior commitment.
If they push, repeat calmly, I can't. You don't owe a documentary.
Your dignity lives inside the silence you resist filling. Protect that silence.
Trap number 4, does that make sense? The phrase that hands them the judge's chair.
You think you're checking clarity. What you're really asking is, am I okay?
It frames you as uncertain and frames them as authority over your message.
Leaders don't beg for validation after they speak. They assume clarity and invite alignment.
Replace it with collaboration prompts that keep you in the driver's seat.
What are your thoughts? What questions do you have? What would you change?
If something is unclear, let them own it by asking. Don't shrink preemptively.
Say it once, then stop. Let the room come to you.
Stop auditioning.
Trap number 5, the yes addiction. Agreeable outside, resentful inside.
Being always available does not make you valuable. It makes you easy and therefore ignored.
Economics is brutal. Infinite supply kills value. Scarcity creates respect before words.
This habit often comes from fear. If I say no, they'll stop liking me.
But people don't respect compliance. They respect priorities and the courage to protect them.
The fix? Pause before answering. Buy time. Then choose like an executive.
Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Simple. Powerful.
Even if you're free, don't be instantly reachable. Instant access lowers perceived status.
Say no to small drains, so you can say yes to big moves without bitterness.
Scarcity is power.
Trap number 6, the just virus. The tiny word that castrates your sentence.
I just wanted to check in. I just have a quick question. Hear the shrinkage?
Just signals you think you're a burden, so you minimize yourself before they respond.
Qualifiers like just, kind of, maybe, and sort of broadcast low conviction.
And humans, unfairly, often trust confidence faster than competence. That bias is real.
The fix is a 7-day detox. Delete just from every draft before you press send.
I'm following up on the report. Not I'm just checking in again.
Please send it by 3 p.m. Clarity is not aggression. Your spine should be audible, not hidden behind softener words.
Cut the hedges.
Trap number 7, the self-roast ritual. The humble joke that brands you unsafe.
I'm a mess. I'm terrible at math. Don't trust me. You call it relatable.
Your listener calls it a warning label and files you under liability.
Confirmation bias does the rest. Every mistake becomes proof. Every win gets ignored.
Self-roasts also force emotional labor, making others comfort you to fix your insecurity.
People tolerate that briefly. Then they get tired. Then they stop defending you, silently.
The fix: separate behavior from identity, correct fast, and move forward without theatrics.
I made an error. Here is the corrected version.
Humility isn't self-hatred. It's self-respect while highlighting others.
Don't market weakness.
Now zoom out. All 7 traps share one root: fear of conflict, fear of rejection.
You learned that being harmless equals being lovable, so you trained yourself to disappear politely.
But harmless is not virtue. It's inability dressed as manners, and people sense it.
Real strength is controlled power, the capacity to be firm, and the discipline to stay calm.
That is why calm boundaries feel dangerous to a world addicted to fake pleasantries.
When you stop leaking status, you don't become a villain. You become whole.
Be calm. Be sharp.
Practical Drill 1. Write 3 apologies you overuse, then rewrite each as gratitude or clarity.
Drill 2. Practice a neutral face while hearing criticism. No smile, no flare, just stillness.
Drill 3. Memorize 2 refusals. I can't commit, and that doesn't work for me.
Drill 4. After you speak, ask one alignment question, not a validation question.
Drill 5. Create scarcity rules. 2 open slots weekly, the rest protected by default.
Drill 6. Search your inbox for just, delete it, and watch your tone gain spine.
Drill 7. Ban self-labels. Replace "I'm bad at X" with "I will verify X."
In meetings, when interrupted, don't speed up. Slow down, finish, then pause.
In conflict, don't overtalk. One sentence, one boundary. Let silence do the rest.
In email, remove softeners. 3 short lines, a clear next step, a deadline. Done.
When praise arrives, accept it with thank you. No deflection, no shrinking.
Respect isn't demanded. It's signaled by what you tolerate and what you calmly refuse.
Every boundary you hold teaches them your price. Every leak tells them you're on discount.
Walk into your next room with steady eyes, fewer words, and a spine they can hear.
And watch your reputation stop leaking and start commanding attention without begging for it.